Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a top bar in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a top bar for. Now click on Settings, then click on Announcement Banner. First, enable showing the banner, then pick your preferred color. Let's work with this yellow color. Here, fill in your message text. This is mine. You can also add a button. Give it a label, for example, reserve your table. Now you can, for the link, you can pick one of your website pages or fill in your link here. You can select between opening the link in a new tab or on the same tab. I will keep it for the same tab. For the visibility of this top banner or announcement banner, you can select to show up only on the home page or on all of the pages of your website. After that, close this window and hit the publish button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's view this website live. And this is how to add a top banner or announcement banner in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.